So you think about buying a home, but you are concerned that you don't have the ability to buy a home. Well, I'm going to walk you through two options here that can help people just like you buy homes. So hang in there till the very end. I'm going to get through it real quick, and hopefully we can get you into a home when you thought you didn't have the ability to buy one. So my name is Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure that you tap that bell icon and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post more information about moving to the Central Coast or doing any real estate here on the Central Coast of California. I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you every single day, and I absolutely love it. You're looking to make a move, and I'm here to help. Doesn't matter if you're looking to move or sell in 9 days or 90 days, I'm here. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. So let's talk about affordability of buying a home. So there's actually a recent Realtor.com report that came out that 20% of Americans think that homeownership is unachievable. And it makes sense. I talk to people all the time that don't think that they can afford to buy a home, especially, my own kids are getting to that age and they say, there's just no way that I could buy a house. Well, with inflation driving up, day-to-day expenses and saving enough for a home is a big challenge. But here's the thing, with the right resources and help, you may be able to qualify. So number one option that I want to walk you through is called an FHA loan. So if your down payment savings and your credit score aren't where you want them to be, then an FHA loan could be your pathway to homeownership. So according to the Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, and Bankrate, the perks of an FHA loan are there's a lower down payment. So typically you can put a down payment of as little as 3.5% down. Now that's still a significant amount of money, but compared to a conventional loan where you have to have 20% down, 3.5 sounds pretty good. Also, with an FHA loan, you don't have to have that super great credit score to qualify for the loan. So if your credit, is not as strong as you want it to be or as good as it can be, then look into an FHA loan. Now, I want to encourage people and just let you know that the only thing that can happen if you apply for a loan or you make these inquiries, you might get great news and find out, hey, we can buy a house. But the worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to find out, well, you can't buy a house right now, but these are the steps that you need to take in the future to make it happen. So you might as well know. So absolutely, that FHA loan, apply for it. Call, text, or email me if you need a lender. So I work with a lot of local mortgage lenders. I'll be happy to refer someone to you that can help you walk you through an FHA loan and all the other loan programs that there are available out there. So now, the second thing you can do to help you buy a home is look into Homeownership Assistance Programs. So believe it or not, there actually are over 2,000 home ownership assistance programs available across the United States. So that's according to Down Payment Resource. You can go to the internet and go to downpaymentresource.com or another place, and you can look into the different programs that are available. On average, according to Down Payment Resource, the financial support and the average benefit for buyers who qualify for down payment assistance is $17,000. That's not a small number. That's probably enough to cover your closing costs in the process of buying a home. So also, it is important to know that the benefits, or some of the benefits for these home ownership assistance programs are stackable. So you can get $10,000 here or a $3,000 grant over here, and you can stack them all up and add that money up and help you and your family get into the home of your dreams. So if you want to learn more and see if you can qualify for any of this, please give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams, and I'm here to help.